Well, it's a difficult moment. You know, when you get through an ordeal that just kills you, it wipes out your soul. One of those projects that, you know, you get a good working vehicle. And the story behind that truck, I already told it, but I traded a 2003 Jeep Wrangler. It was older, you know, had a lot of miles on it, but it ran good. It's probably worth easily $8,000 because those things still bring a ton of money, you know, even today. But a guy wanted to trade his 1990 K1500 that he was only the second owner of in almost 30 years, and his father owned it before him. So he said, sure. I was looking for a V8 truck or SUV anyway. So I traded with him, and it just needed a few little fix-ups and tune-ups and stuff here and there. See the playlist link down below for all the stuff I did to it. And it just quit running, and I went through everything that was in my power to get her going again, and it just wouldn't run again. And you know, when you put your entire being into an inanimate object that should be, you know, we can always conquer inanimate objects, right? Not necessarily. It doesn't matter how much YouTubing and Googling and research you try to do. Sometimes an issue is just beyond your capability, and then it just wipes you out mentally, and you don't even want to touch it anymore. I'm sure some of you have been through ordeals like that. That's what just happened. And that truck sat for over a year and a half right outside the shop. And I just couldn't. I couldn't get it in my mental makeup to get back out there and figure it out anymore. It's one of those deals. And I'm never like that. I will always, hammer through any sort of project or problem or ordeal until it's solved. And this one killed me. And, what can you say? I'm happy that it's going to a guy whose family is totally into these older trucks. He used to, as a baby, he used to ride in his parents' truck that was similar vintage, early 90s, and he remembers that maroon velour interior. He bought this thing knowing that it something's not right. I think it's only one or two things left that'll get it running. He already knows all that. He's got a mechanic who's ready to jump on it. But he bought this strictly out of nostalgia. And he's not an older guy. He's youngish person. And it's just, I certainly hope that he gets it running, because it's really sad when you try so hard to get something going that used to be great, and it just says, I'm done. And that's a tough one. Doesn't happen often, but I'm glad she's gone in a way, but I'm also sad she's gone, because you just go through so much with a vehicle. It's almost like a part of the family, which is totally ridiculous. I know that's a guy thing pretty much only. But, our vehicles are our toys, and sometimes that's all we have when it comes to a hobby or, something to tinker with, something fun, something you can mod, something you can upgrade, something you can repair, things like that. It does something for the soul when it goes well, but when it goes badly, it's awful. Anyway, I just wanted to show that, because that's a rare occurrence on this channel where things just don't go right. And what can I say? Anyway, y'all have a great day. We're moving on to bigger and better things, and make sure you Google our channel and look for Horsepower House on the internet. We got all kinds of cool stuff on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and our YouTube channels also. So check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.